to our 2020 chemistry contest. I am Nilüfer. Due to COVID-19, we had to make our contest online this year. First of all, I want to talk about how you will vote and choose the winner. We are going to be sharing a poll in our Instagram story at RPS Chemistry, and you will have 1 minute to vote. You will like the content you like and you will dislike the content you dislike. And the project that gets the highest percentage will be the first place.
The first song project by Gali Al-Kasimi.
Energy, I'ma need it to talk chemistry. I guess it might be destiny. I know it's gonna sound heavenly. Not that talented vocally, but I might just do it lyrically. If you wanna do test easily, you better keep your serenity. You're kidding me, you're telling me you don't love this. It's chemistry, I've been working on a recipe. It might be making ecstasy. Time travel back to Germany, where Hitler was the enemy. He turned up the intensity, he used chemicals in his weaponry. We learn these things at school, you might not think it's cool. Trust me, it's gonna be a tool. Its homework is definitely cruel. It's got way too many rules, harder than riding a mule. We use chemicals in pools, we measure energy in joules. Netflix or cable, know it's the periodic table. 118 elements, memorizing them's a staple. Them brains disabled, don't dare forget to label. Mixing up some solutions, making sure reaction's stable. Let's talk about them laws, about them theories and them laws. They make up most of the subject, know them all and deserve an applause. When making chemistry creations, you're gonna need many calculations. The most important thing is not to forget all dissociations. Let's emphasize the melody, keeping the flow instantly. Right on point with videography, don't forget the elements especially. Each one with its own identity, some of them might last eternally. You'll need this for university. This was the song about chemistry.
Your time to vote has started. Please vote.
Sonos.
80 on the track.
Next song project by Vali and Enes Al-Kasimi.
Atomic collisions, massive visions too. Get the running motion of particles around you. But that ain't what the equation's gonna show you. The particles missing physical identity too. But make sure you don't lose any brain cells too, cause that ain't gonna be so good for you. Especially after everything you lost on you. That ain't something you're gonna wanna do.
Hydrogen, helium, sodium, too. Just some more elements from the big label view. With all their friends, they make up the earth, and even you with it.
It's pretty cool.
Just like everything we learned at school. Even those elements have sex rules too. Potassium, magnesium, calcium, too. Just some more elements that make up you.
Have you ever heard a thing or two about a mole? Let me just tell you everything you need to know. A mole is an animal that burrows in the ground, or a spot on your chin that you gotta shave around. There's another kind of mole that interests me, the kind of mole we use in chemistry. But let me just tell you one or two more things about it. Here we go.
The mole can be a name, a number, or a symbol, but that ain't gonna give you the right way.
A mole is a unit where you can take 6 times 10 to the 23rd. Such a big number to be heard, or maybe you can even make it your password. Now that's just enough to make you a nerd, but that's pretty cool, just like the chemistry hurt.
Voting time.
Sonos. 80 on the track.
Third song project by Safa Çelik and Sijarić.
Let's burn it, start to survive.
I'm gonna open my own company, to be a biochemical industry. I will make medicine and use anatomy. This element is found in the galaxy. This shooting star is mine, my light is just tight. Just move on a single line, go back, everything is fine.
Our childhood was already jerky, Sarajevo, Istanbul, Turkey.
Alright, you with me so far? That's right, I'm talking about compounds. Okay, let's get technical. You all listen up. Electrons spinning, fun around the nucleus, negativity giving. That's right, I'll say it again. They have a negative charge, they're on a spin. The nucleus is positive, this proton has a pulse. That's one of the reasons it makes me sus. Now let me confirm that you're checking this out. Call it back to me when I hear you shout. Electron, proton. So you're spinning all over in the shelf. There's a little more to tell. Hey, yeah. It's a chemical dilemma with an interesting solution. You could borrow electrons or maybe you could lose it. You see, borrowing electrons can make a shell complete, but if you give it a few days, then shell up to sleep. Negative charges are going in from, sometimes charges going in from. It's probably the best that we take an example, or you might just end up as an simple. Alright, you with me so far? That's right, I'm talking about compounds. Okay, let's get technical. Yo, listen up.
Please vote.
Sonos.
Next project by Eren Ateş.
What's a pH? Escape a solution. Who is an acid or base? Base. Tell us the level of hydrogen ion present. Acid more hydrogen ion. H plus concentration. Yeah. Like a lemon, it stays pretty sour. Probably like a level 2 on the pH. Give it a test and it shows the red on the litmus. 0 to 7 acidic hydrogen ion. Look it. And moving over the blue litmus. It's a base, it is liquid fluid. Hydroxide ion, OH minus excess like a product of the drain. Needing unclogging. Clogging. Another name for a base. Alkalis, pH range from 8 to 14. High ions in a base. The tide of hydroxide, like toothpaste. Cleaning products, like lye. And when a base and acid mix, they neutralize. The H plus and OH minus combine. Turn it into plain water. H2O plus on the side is a salt. For example, sodium chloride. So bases, mix them up with acids, and what that makes it, you can find it. Find it. You can find it.
Please vote for the project.
Sonos. 80 on the track.
Next song project by Dino Çavuşević.
Paul House.
Hit me up. Solid liquid gas. Matter still matters, whatever its class. Whether it's a solid, liquid, or a gas, it can change, but matters what you call it. Whether it's a gas, liquid, or a solid. If it has a shape that stays the same, then solid is its name. A rock or a block or a baseball bat. Yeah, it's a solid, it can even be a cat. A liquid can be thick or even thin. It takes the shape of whatever it's in. You can pour it and it lies flat. That's a liquid, doesn't go back. Gas is as light as it can be. It's all around us, but it's hard to see. There in the air, we almost can't see. Yeah, it's a gas, even benzene. matters, whatever its class. It can be a solid, liquid or a gas. It can change, but matters what you call it. Whether it's a gas, liquid or solid. Solid, liquid, gas, it's all matter. It's all chemistry. And the end of the day, teacher, please give me a 5.
Please vote.
Sonos. 80 on the track. You can spit acid on him if you want to. Mixu.
Mixu.